In this video, I'll talk about how you can get organic traffic to your Shopify store. Now, these would be the organic ways that you can do it, and these are not that difficult. However, it's gonna require some time. So the first one, and this is probably the best one, is to make videos. So this can be either on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever there's a social platform, Pinterest, Snapchat, but I recommend Instagram or TikTok. And what you want to do is you just want to make videos that are interesting about the products that you're selling on your website. So if you have a clothing Shopify store, you want to make like outfit ideas or stuff like this and post them as short form content. So that will be Reels or TikToks or YouTube Shorts. And that way you can gain a lot of traffic. Now the next one would be to write articles or blogs. And this will basically make it rank on Google. So these are not, this is also a fine one. Just keep in mind, this can take many, many months for it to rank successfully. Now the third would be to SEO optimize it. This is quite important no matter what kind of one you choose for here, because this is just gonna make the organic one much easier. Then there's online communities and forums. If you're selling a specific product, let's say specific pencil, and someone on Reddit is like, oh, I really need this kind of pencil, you can tell them that you actually sell it at your store and stuff like this. Now the last one would be affiliate marketing, and this is basically where you're gonna tell an influencer or someone who has a big audience, you're gonna tell them that whenever they bring someone to your store and that person makes a purchase, then the influencer will get a percentage of that purchase. So these are the ways that you can do it for free and organically. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.